My dear students, today is Children's Day, a day dedicated to you. When I see you, my heart fills with joy and love. In your sunny faces, I see hopes. I see a better tomorrow. My dream is to see your dream come true. I long for the day when your achievements will be celebrated by all of us. Make us proud. Make your parents, your teachers, your school and the nation proud. My heartfelt love to all of you. Happy Children's Day. I'm going to dedicate a song for you. Enjoy it. इसी सी हंसी, इसी सी खुशी, इसका सतपुरा चांद था, ख्वाब के तुमको से चल बनाए आँखियाँ। इसी सी हंसी, इसी सी खुशी, इसका सतपुरा चांद था, ख्वाब के तुमको से चल बनाए आँखियाँ। जब जब पाओ तो आए हाय हाय जिंदगी, होठों से उंगली दबा के हम ताला लगा के तुम तराने चुप 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 के भाई आधी आधी बात ले आगे दिल के गली। थोड़ा सा तेरा सा होगा, थोड़ा मेरा दिल होगा, अपना ये आँखियाँ। इसी से हंसी, इसी से खुशी, एक सतपुरा चांद था, ख्वाब के तुमको से चल बनाए आँखियाँ। Happy Children's Day. Love you all.
Dear
Wait.
students, good morning, dear students, and very happy Children's Day as well as Deepavali. Today, we are celebrating the Children's Day in the memory of Jawaharlal Nehru, the first Prime Minister of India. It is an auspicious day for all the children, and dear children, you are a precious jewel to our school, and we are very proud of you. As we celebrate the Children's Day and Deepavali, I wish you a very happy Children's Day and Deepavali. May the Lord God bless you, and especially as you light the diyas today. May the Lord may brighten your mind, heart, and give you a lot of wisdom and lighten your path. Happy Children's Day.
Good morning, dear students. Happy Children's Day and Happy Deepavali. On this occasion, I would like to say one शायरी and sing a song. मौसम का हेर फेर, बादलों का घनघोर, मौसम का हेर फेर, बादलों का घनघोर, फूलों से पूछो उसका श्रृंगार कितना, और मेरे दिल से पूछो आप सभी बच्चों के प्रति मेरा प्यार कितना। जीवन में दिन प्यारा, शब्दों से है न्यारा, ओ हो, जीवन में दिन प्यारा, जीवन में दिन प्यारा, शब्दों से है न्यारा, ओ हो, जीवन में दिन प्यारा। ये दिन कभी ना आने वाला, ए भाइयों ए बहनों, हर पल का मजा लो, जीवन में दिन प्यारा। ये दिन कभी ना आने वाला, ए भाइयों ए बहनों, हर पल का मजा लो, जीवन में दिन प्यारा, जीवन में दिन प्यारा, शब्द दिनों से है न्यारा। ओ हो, जीवन में दिन प्यारा। चमका चंदा चमका तारा, चमका तकदीर का सितारा। हो चमका चंदा चमका तारा, चमका तकदीर का सितारा। ये दिन कभी ना आने वाला, ए भाइयों ए बहनों, हर पल का मजा लो, जीवन में दिन प्यारा। ये दिन कभी ना आने वाला, ए भाइयों ए बहनों, हर पल का मजा लो, जीवन में दिन प्यारा। जीवन में दिन प्यारा, शब्द दिनों से है न्यारा। ओ हो, जीवन में दिन प्यारा। आए संकट आए आफत, होगा ना पीछे पग हमारा। हो आए संकट आए आफत, होगा ना पीछे पग हमारा। हो ये दिन कभी ना आने वाला, ए भाइयों ए बहनों, हर पल का मजा लो, जीवन में दिन प्यारा। ये दिन कभी ना आने वाला, ए भाइयों ए बहनों, हर पल का मजा लो, जीवन में दिन प्यारा। जीवन में दिन प्यारा, हर पल का मजा लो, जीवन में दिन प्यारा। Happy Children's Day and Happy Deepavali. Thank you.
In March this year, at the onset of the COVID pandemic in India, the world around us came to a standstill. We were as taken aback as anyone at the sudden shutdown of schools in the country. As an institution that prides itself on ample preparation before the start of any class, weeks and months of preparation for the classes to come seem to be coming to naught. Children's Academy plans and executes everything with the minutest details, and we decided to take this challenge head on as we have taken every other challenge over the years. While the students couldn't come to school, the teachers and the management were present in school all day, trying to figure out how best we could counter the situation to continue students' education online. At the start, given the challenges on hand, we found the asynchronous method to be the most efficient strategy. With the help of the Screencastify and EduBricks applications, along with the whole suite of content creation apps, teachers were able to record interesting video modules. It seemed like every day we could learn something new, and teachers of every subject were helping each other to come up with the most viable method to carry out this asynchronous teaching, also making it the most productive technique. Soon, teachers were unable to even visit the school, but this did not stop the train of content. Utilizing every online tool available to them, teachers continued to create video modules of the highest quality with the help of the management of the school. To ensure the students didn't miss out on their valuable education, within a week of regular school shutting down, videos were being shared privately via the Children's Academy Group of Schools YouTube channel. Between 17 March 2020 and 30 April 2020, the teachers of Children's Academy Group of Schools planned, recorded, edited, uploaded and delivered over, hold your breath, 750 video modules to our pupils, all the way from nursery to grade 10. Moreover, in this period, our videos were viewed over 4,08,000 times. This speaks volumes about the quality of the videos being created by the Academy and the interest with which the students of the school were watching. These videos were not just meant for academic topics, but we also ensured that children were not overloaded during these difficult times. Video modules on language enhancement, art and craft, DIY activities, fun with math, facts from history, and much more were also streamed regularly. To ensure that students remain fit even in the safety of their homes, fitness modules were shared with students as well as the staff of the school. We are sure that during such unprecedented times, hearing the comforting voices of the teachers must have brightened the days of each and every child. To ensure that the highest possible quality is maintained, teachers of the school, with guidance from the management, created training videos for other teachers of the Children's Academy Group of Schools. These videos were of such high quality that they went on to be utilized by teachers from all over the nation. It goes on to show that even as this year remains difficult for billions around the world, it has led to immense camaraderie and helpfulness. Unfortunately, the COVID situation continued to linger on even into the summer vacation. Following the continuous work done by the teachers over April and May, all through the summer vacation, the teachers forewent the much deserved time off to train extensively in the various methods of synchronous online teaching. Demo class after demo class were held online to ensure that each teacher was prepared beyond any expectation before the school reopened in June. Work on the lesson plans continued in full force as well. The start of live online classes did not mean the end of online video modules, as Children's Academy employs a unique blend of asynchronous and synchronous learning to best cater to the students. By asynchronous, we mean self-paced learning, where teaching modules, worksheets will be posted online, and if a student is not able to partake in virtual teaching owing to lack of device, poor connectivity, etc., he or she would still be able to access the tutorial and can study at his or her own pace like they did in April. By synchronous, we mean real-time learning, more engaging and effective, allows for instant feedback and doubt clarification. Over 9,000 Children's Academy IDs and 300 Google Classrooms were created to accommodate the students in live online classes. Parents and students were trained on how to utilize the Google Suite. It was not long before this online medium became the all-time platform for conducting a host of co-curricular events as well. While the conceptual engagements are taken care of by the academic curriculum, we have ensured that the emotional and physical well-being is addressed too during the breaks. Much like the physical school, we celebrate important days, festivals, birthdays at all on Google Meet. We have successfully conducted formal events like the investiture ceremony, MUN sessions, inter-class competitions, 4 to 6 day events encompassing a variety of contests. The list is endless. Our students and teachers have nearly mastered the optimum use of the digital channel, utilizing the best possible online tools. In addition to this, we successfully conducted 2 online exams in the first term, have conducted projects, the assessments and corrections of which have also been favorably managed using the online tools Kami and DocHub. All through the pandemic, our counseling department CARE has been resourcefully active to ensure the mental well-being of our pupils. Apart from the online weekly life skills sessions for the students, they are also just a call away to offer meaningful advice to parents and their wards in these lackluster times. Keeping in mind that the COVID situation is temporary and in the longer term our students need to stay abreast of working in the offline manner, we went through great pains to ensure offline learning can take place for students from the safety of their homes. Our parents were elated and couldn't thank the management and school enough when they received couriers at their doorstep containing worksheets, notes, science kits and other study materials. All these materials were packed and delivered while being meticulously hygienic in order to be safe. Overwhelmed with joy, their appreciation messages have been pouring in abundance ever since, boosting our enthusiasm. In the end, it is their $1,000,000 smiles brimming from year to year which is making our initiative worth the effort. We were further enthused when ThinkLab, the company that supplies the science kits, had put up a public statement to announce that the Children's Academy group of schools is the first in India to have the kits delivered at students' homes. The COVID-19 crisis and its aftermath led us to launch our intensive awareness campaign with a view to motivate and sensitize parents and students towards protection and adequate safeguard. We have been continuously reaching out to parents and students through PTA meetings, open house, and during classroom lectures. Our efforts are aimed to particularly emphasize on the importance of social distancing, hand and face hygiene by washing hands and wearing masks. Banners and posters have been put up in the school premises where all safety protocols are being earnestly followed while dealing with visitors. The extent of effort put in by all members of the Children's Academy family must be clear by now. But what makes all these hours, weeks, and months of constant effort worthwhile is the smiles on the faces of the students and the appreciation we receive from the parents of the Academy. Please enjoy a short clipping of some of the words of appreciation we have received from parents.